Thank you guys so much for 20,000 subscribers. It really means a lot to me. Thank you.
So cute.
Now, because of that, I'm gonna give away 3 copies of FL Studio Producer Edition. Let me tell you how you can win. In this video, I've hidden a simple question. All you need to do is find it and answer it in the comments below. Then I'll send you guys an email. Let's get into the video. You're having trouble finding good free plugins. I feel you. Now, good thing I have a list with free VSTs that will knock your socks off. We all have trouble finding the perfect snare sometimes. Now, what if I told you there's a free plugin you can use to create your own snares? Excite Snare Drum will allow you to do that. Simply play around with these 6 controls until you have a snare sound that fits your mix. When you're done, add some EQ and distortion to your sound, and there you go. And now you possess the tool to create your own snare drum kit. Free plugin number 2, Lovei III. This one is initially made for lo-fi music, but if you're into dark trap or hip-hop, this is gonna blow your mind. The presets from this list are insane. Listen to this one, my absolute favorite. The thing is, you can completely adjust the way it sounds by changing the ADSR. You can literally turn a plug into a pad, whatever you can imagine. Because of the effects on the bottom, I think this VST is incredibly underrated. But if you think this is awesome, wait until you hear about the free plugin number 3. This one is called TDR Nova and is comparable to Pro Q3, which is a very popular EQ. TDR Nova is completely free and it works like a charm. It has the same controls as any parametric equalizer and you should definitely try it out. That was straight to the point. Next one isn't a free plugin, but it's a free infograph that contains years of music production experience all on one page. Powerful chord progressions, amazing scales, and a frequency cheat sheet that will help you create amazing mixes. I'll leave a link for you below. My favorite genres to create are obviously hip-hop and lo-fi, which is why I recommend Ample Percussion CLOUDRUM. This one is an oldie, but it's gold. The interface is incredibly simple and you just don't need to do much. Simply choose a preset that you like, and if it's needed, you can adjust the sound with the settings on the right. That sounds so great. Awesome. Now, what are beats without bass? Luckily, I have a free plugin called SUBDIVINE. Simply choose a sound that fits your music and use the ADSR to adjust it to your liking. Of course, you can also increase the drive of your bass to make it more crunchy or distorted. On the right side, you can also access a fully functional pitch bend. Definitely try this one along with the ones in the video on my left. Thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye.